hell you got out of there, dog? What the hell's that? Is some good shit?
It's good coffee.
Yeah?
I love coffee.
They just threw that shit away like that?
Yeah. The street people look for an opportunity to get some.
Get some beverages and shit?
That's it. This one's just empty of everything but paper goods and paper's
We better
worthless.
go find some more treasure. Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, take a bite out of that shit. Hell yeah. You gotta eat somewhere, right? Hell yeah. Good shit.
Ice cream cones. No ice cream,
Yeah.
just the cone.
Don't spoil yourself.